Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll be showing you some fireworks that I got during my vacation. This is just a little firework trip. We spent a total of $118. We're still going to go to Phantom Fireworks before the 4th of July. So, let's start down here. This is one boomstick. There's for $2. Here's Jump Shot. That was $2 too. Desert at Night, $5. Party On, $5. I picked up this one, I bought this one, but then I got $10 for free, so I just grabbed this Desert at Night and another Party On. Here's a description for Party On. Time to party all night. Big burst of white glitter with red stars alternating with white glittering with green stars, ending with crackling silver. Okay, let's party on. Right here we got Blue Fired Ice. That one was $9.95. Find the description on this one. Right here. Big burst of blue with sparkling silver glitter. Zero Gravity. That one was $8.95. The description. 7 shots. Big alternating shots of blue tail to deep purple with white glittering and blue tail to deep purple with green glittering. Color Me America. This is 20 shots. This one is $10.95. I don't think there's a description on this one. Tropic Thunder, this one is $8.95. Here's the description. This color changing cake has all the colors of all the tropic red tail to yellow to red plus blue to red plus white glittering, red tail to green to red to white glittering. Shake and Bake. This one was $7.50. Here's a description. Start your engines. Red tail to red stars and green glittering. Green tail to blue stars with red glittering, and red tail to blue stars with white glittering. Magic Show. This one was $9.95. Here it is. Crackling tail to red star with crackling green stars with crackling yellow stars with crackling white glitter with crackling. So this one, there's a lot of crackling in it. California Illegal. This one was $7.50. I think this one looks pretty cool. Here's a description. Can't go over 10 feet, no explosions, can't go outside a 6-foot circle, not huge burst of sea blue with red glittering, lemon and orange with time rain crackling, lemon with green glittering, with a finale of sea blue with crackling. It's 7 shots of action-packed fun. And then back here we got Red Rascals. These are $3.99. The shells look so they're weird, but I think they're gonna be loud. I hope they are. Got a pack of those. And over here we got artillery shells, gigantic color burst. Those ones are, let me find it real quick. I like how these ones are packaged. Oh, these ones were $7.50. I like how all the I like how all the shells are like in the bag, and that's pretty cool. And it's pretty neat how the colors are on top, like yellow, white, blue, green, red, orange. I like how that's labeled like that. I think that's pretty neat. And then over here we got Star Spangled Bangers. This one was $25. It is 6 shells total. Here's the description. Red, white, and blue America with these new supercells. This box of gigantic canister shells containing 6 different bomb bursting effects, but all red, white, and blue. So here's the shells. And these are the fireworks that I picked up during vacation. So please like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.